Got him. Oh, it's one of those giant, no way. It's a giant freaking. What is up, guys, and welcome back to another episode. I only got a couple hours of fish, so we're gonna head to this little mud hole that is not far from my house. We're gonna try and catch some of the monster fish that lurk in that little body of water. Now, surprisingly, there are actually some really large fish in this pond, and we're gonna try and catch them. And we have the top secret, juicy, never fail bait. So I'm feeling really confident we're probably gonna catch some big fish today. As you can tell, this is just like a small, dirty little mud hole, and lurking in these waters are some really, really large fish. Hoping to hook up with a few. I usually do when I come here. It's usually pretty good. But there's actually a little bit of everything in this pond because people just dump all kinds of stuff in here. There's actually flathead in here, big bass, there's bluegill. I've actually caught white bass and hybrids out of here that they're not supposed to be in here. Sometimes there's trout. There's just everything in here. So yeah, we're gonna get baited up, get the lines in the water. Secret bait today is corn. I actually just stopped at Dollar General to pick this up. Whole kernel corn. They didn't have a can opener, so I had to just like smash it open. This is a super good, top secret, incredible fish bait, and I'm gonna show you guys. Hopefully we're gonna catch some monsters. Gonna thread some on here. Usually do like 4 or 5 pieces. Already got the other pole out. We'll send this one a little bit further. So that's pretty much all there is to it. And you get a little split shot and you're good to go. Now I usually just cast these out, and then I just make the drag real loose so that the fish can't feel it when they hit it. When I pick it up, I'll just tighten the drag. And I did bring a little ultralight. Got my little Cast Crazinos on there. Mess around with this while we wait for the bigger fish to come in. There's one. Got him. There we go. What is it? He stopped fighting already. Had a really good run. And he stopped already. That was quick. Man, that thing ran like crazy and then stopped. Looks a little thin. There, he's trying to fight now. Man, that was like the quickest I've ever caught one here. These things are so hard to land because as soon as they see the net, they don't want anything to do with it. They don't want anything to do with that net. He didn't really fight much after I reeled down on him though. The bigger net. We're gonna get him. Got him. It's actually not a bad one. Looked a little thin at first, but no, he's not bad at all. Hooked him right in the corner. Check it out, guys. That literally took like maybe 3 freaking minutes. Absolutely smoked the corn. Not a giant, but pretty solid. He really didn't fight much though, probably because the water's really cold. But yeah, that was pretty cool. You go let him go. Heck yeah. There he freaking goes. That was a quick success. I'd like to get a couple more. Man, that was fast. I'm being a little quiet because there's people on the other side of the pond. I kind of like to keep my fish and stuff like a little secretive when I'm out here. All right, we're just gonna load up some more corn, put it right back out there, see if we can get another one. That's pretty freaking cool though. Literally, it couldn't have been out there for more than 2 minutes. I don't care what anyone says. There's all these other carp baits and stuff out there, you know, boilies, crazy recipes for dough bait. You can't beat freaking corn. You just can't. You can't do it. Corn's the best, catches more fish, stays on the hook better. You're just not gonna beat corn. I got him that time. So freaking little dude, but he smashed a Xeno. Was just bouncing like crazy. Got him. He got him. Just looked over and saw this thing bouncing. Didn't even hear it. This one might be big. Oh yeah, this one's bigger. This one's a lot bigger. This one's freaking pretty big. Wow. They're not fighting like crazy. Their first run's really good. The water's still really cold. They're definitely wanting to feed though. It's a good size one here. A lot longer than the other one. I don't know why, but these fish are so hard to net, especially when you got a small net like I do right now. Got dog in them. When the water's warmer, these things freaking fight. In there. Got him. Yeah, that one's definitely a lot longer. Hooked them right in the corner. Doesn't even hook that crazy. That's freaking cool. This one here is a little thin. Not bad though. That first one wasn't thin, but this one here is definitely a little thin. Probably not a ton for them to eat in the winter in this little pond. But that's pretty solid fish right there though. Check that out. Freaking corn again, guys. I'm telling you, the corn. Can't beat the corn. Let him go. Cannot beat the corn. There he goes. Well, that's 2 pretty quick. Just gonna keep throwing them out. See if we can get more. Too fast. That one had that like clear across the pond. I think it was on the same pole each time. Just kind of lobbing it a little bit. Not even throwing them out that far. I think my other one's getting hit, guys. All right, well, definitely been a success already. All right, guys, so while we're waiting, what's really crazy is I've like almost never caught more than 2 fish here. I know there's more than that. Plenty of carp in here. I always seem to catch 2. Hoping we're gonna catch 3 today or more. But while I'm waiting for the rods to go again, my daughter and my fiance just showed up, and my daughter ate like half of a string cheese. I'm actually going to take this string cheese and use it as bait and probably catch a ton of fish on it. That's the plan anyway. We're gonna head over to the dock and see if anything wants to eat this. I almost guarantee as soon as I get over there, pole over here's one of these is gonna get freaking smoked again, because that's just how it goes. But yeah, that's what we're gonna do. All right, let's see. We got the string cheese on her. Yep, it's getting hit. They took the cheese pretty much right away. They are small compared to what they usually are in here. There he is. Oh, my daughter's string cheese, guys. Check it out. Usually there used to be really big bluegill in here. These are all like small, which is kind of strange, but I'm not really sure why. They used to all be pretty big. Might be able to catch a bunch doing this. I could actually keep some for bait. There's definitely some big catfish in here. Freaking string cheese, guys. You can pretty much use anything for bait when it comes to bluegill. Right, here we go. We're gonna catch one right here. You guys ready? Yep. Called it. Freaking string cheese for the win. Smoking these little gilskies right now. I actually used to come here, this exact spot, when I was a kid. I mean, I'm talking like 10 years old. I'd have my parents drop me off. I would just sit here on the dock with bread and just do exactly what I'm doing right now. Just catch like 100 freaking bluegill. Some of them look a little bigger in there. This is silly. They're all like the same size though. They're all like little potato chips. Look at all the big gilskies that were in here. I really wanted to hit the river today, but it's still blown out. So here we are. We could probably do this all freaking day. Wow. Let's go show my daughter. I caught him on your string cheese.
What?
That's what the fishy ate. Want to touch him?
No.
Touch him. Pat him.
Oh.
Give him a little pet. Yeah.
That's so cute.
You
caught small fishy?
Yeah. You want to let him go?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Okay.
Put him in the water.
No.
Is it yucky?
Yeah.
It's okay. Here, grab him. Ready?
Yeah.
That one tightened up. That's kind of weird. Yep. One just hit it. One's eating this. Okay. There he goes. Got him. Third one. This one's got some spunk. Oh, it's one of those giant. No way. It's a giant freaking. Wow. This is insane. This is one of those freaking big salties, man. It's a black salty. It's a freaking giant. Bigger than the one I caught last year. Holy crap. That is unreal. This is essentially a freaking goldfish, guys. Look at that. That's incredible. That's a freaking goldfish. What in the world? It's like the size of the freaking carp in here. What the heck? That's my PB freaking black salty, aka goldfish. Yeah, this is like seriously like a special catch. Let me get this off. This has got to be about as big as these things can get. This is essentially a goldfish. I caught one in the fall that wasn't this big. That's crazy. That is a freaking awesome way to end this video. So yeah, guys, even though it might look like a carp a little bit, this is not a carp. This is actually a freaking black salty, which is some crazy strand of goldfish that is made for fishermen to use as bait, and it has gotten huge in this pond. Somebody let it go in here. I caught one of these in the fall. Seriously, this is basically a goldfish. It's called black salties. They actually can survive in salt water for a little bit. The bait shop downtown, Bear Track Outdoors, sells these things when they're like 3 inches long. And I've caught 2 of them now. Unreal. Oh man, that's crazy. That is a cool freaking fish, dude. Look at that. Wow. I know it kind of looks like a carp, but you can see the differences. The mouth's different. The fins are a little different. It's shaped a little different. That is freaking crazy. We're gonna let them go. Probably not supposed to let these go. So definitely technically invasive. Man, is that cool. I kind of knew that's what it was. It hit like that last one. Tell you what, he fought good.